So George,
we're back.
Today we are off to the Tuff Streeters Souvlakis at the Grillin Greeks. That's a bit of a mouthful.
It is.
It's going to be a mouthful later.
Yeah, exactly.
In Nomang, we've got a few new additions. We'll run through some of them on the way. But for now, just got to get prepped. Got to get ready for this screamer pipe. Just got to get into the Holden driving position. All right, we're right to go now.
Put the back window down and put your arm out the back window if you want to, if you really want a fat arm it.
I can't even hear.
But let's be honest, Nomang's a favourite amongst the fullBOOST faithful.
Oh, here we go.
Yours was just fill-in. Yours was just fill-in for time, right?
It took too long.
Yeah, because it had no content.
Fun day out in Nomang.
Yeah.
Went and got a kebab.
You did. It's a souvlaki. Please. Please. We got to use the right terminology, mate.
Gyros.
That's better. Yeah, there you go. Log it up. One.
Like this. You can go to sleep in here. How do people drive? How do people drive in this Aussie driving position?
Aussie, you reckon? I don't think it's very Aussie. It's very ethnic.
Aussie cars.
Aussie cars, yes.
Aussie car driving position, I should say. I don't know if I could do this. I should jump in the driver's seat and see if I can drive. I can't even hear anything. Hey, it's a bit quieter, George.
Yeah, it's much quieter with
What have you done? Because initially you had like a...
I had the exhaust dumped at the diff, yeah, and so I ran it over to the back of the car now.
It's way quieter.
Way quieter. Oh, it's been and because I drive it
a lot
every day almost, because my other car's in for repairs at the moment, so literally I drive it every day. It's been so good.
So the e-booster's gone?
Yes. Yeah, because I don't know if keen ears would remember when we raced it at Heathcote last time, although I still had the e-boost in there, I had converted the boost over into the Haltech, and I was running closed loop boost, and I still haven't set it up. I still haven't had time to set it up, but the e-boost didn't need to be in there, so I got the Haltech e-gauge. Yeah, so it shows me the wideband and the boost in that one, water temp, air temp, battery voltage.
It's a good little gauge to put in an older car like this, because
yeah,
you haven't got much in the way.
No, and because like I could have solved all those problems with putting an IC7 dash in it.
Yeah.
But I mean,
I
like that. Yeah, I like that dash. So, and then I also got the keypad as well. So I had to move the trans controller for the keypad's sake.
The beauty of having a modern transmission, George, the thing's purring it.
Yeah, we're doing just over 1500, 1600, 100 Ks, cruising, and you can like it's.
You don't have the drone.
You don't have the drone. The engine's like on a real quiet. Yeah. It's really cruisy. It's really nice to drive.
A bigger engine like this, it does it easy.
You know you're in western suburbs. Oh, Wog Palaces are here.
So we're only minutes away from getting our kebab, George, at 9 in the morning.
Yeah, 9 in the morning. No, your cargo shorts. It's knocking your cargo shorts.
Well, I'm matching black and black, and George has got the Greek style white Reeboks, white shorts. It's all good.
Hey, I'm dressed for the occasion, mate. We're in the area. When in Rome.
I actually don't have any clothes. The only clothes I own are fullBOOST. Is fullBOOST merch. That's it. We've turned up here at the Grillin Greeks.
The Grillin Greeks.
It's pretty hot, isn't it, George? It's early. It's at 10 a.m.
It's already quite warm.
Look, it's not the greatest time probably to have a car meet Sunday morning in a shopping centre.
Yeah, true that.
But
at least we're here though.
We've got Nomang here. Looking nice and shiny.
Yeah, all the VLs are coming in now.
VLs are coming in.
Yeah, right.
Your mate, is it Johnny?
Johnny, yeah, bringing his VS down.
The 4.8?
Yeah, little 4.8, small block LS, yeah.
This is a baby engine, George.
Yes, 4.8 meanwhile.
4.8 litre.
Yes.
2 sleepers, very different.
Yeah, we appreciate a good sleeper, don't we?
There is a VL cruise on today as well, meeting at the same spot. I don't even know where we're cruising, George, down towards the beach somewhere, I think.
Something like that, yeah. We're heading down Beachway. I think we're going past like Port Melbourne,
Yeah.
I think, maybe, I'm assuming.
Let's go for a walk and have a look what's here.
Yeah.
There's this little Gemini.
That looks
Bit of
killer.
meat.
Yeah, that looks man. Crack a little conversion though.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong. It's unreal.
I've never been in one, but they must drive pretty good.
Yeah. A few VLs now.
This is dose laying down.
Oh yeah. How good's this though? That's mint. That's nice, huh? That looks nice.
That's nice.
Yeah, LS.
Very nice LS conversion. It's got they had the VY GDS wheels.
Hey? VX GDS, yeah.
Oh, VX GDS.
VX GDS, yeah.
That was so popular back in
Oh,
the day.
I've got a set.
Yeah.
That's hot.
That's a proper Pro Street, yeah. These people coming in to get their half price specials at Audi are going to be skitzing. They've got nowhere to park their Camrys. The whole place has just been taken over by VLs. Sounds pro-charged. That's a neat FD. If I had these wheels, I reckon I'd gutter them in about
100%.
half a second.
I'd do it driving out of the wheel shop. Like this thing's got 20-inch tri-spokes and that's got walkies.
Some wheels it works on and some it looks a bit weird.
Yeah.
HSV, their wheels were first class.
100% they were. They had the best wheels.
Who on earth can design a tri-spoke that looks good?
Yeah, exactly.
This is a flashback to like 1998.
Yeah, 100%.
What did they call it? Harlequin? What do you used to call this plant?
Harlequin.
Harlequin.
Yeah, Harlequin paint, yeah.
FJs. I'm sure the old FJs probably cost a few dollars now.
You can't find them.
Yeah.
It's a problem, you can't find them anywhere. I still reckon they're a better engine.
Great sounding engine.
Oh, loved them, man. Big fan of the FJ. Probably one of the first Nissan motors I worked on was an FJ.
Hey George, this is arguably the quickest car here, is this car.
Hey. Calm down.
This thing's gone 830.
Yeah, I believe it, yeah. Doesn't take much for one of these to do it, eh?
This is well sorted, it's got a Jacko in it. 60 foots very well. Hello. How are you?
Hello, movie star.
How are you? Look who's talking, mate. Trying to take over my gig, huh? Right here. Yeah, right, bro.
It's a celebrity meetup here.
Yeah.
Barra celebrities.
Oh, we're on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. What's happening?
Good, what's going on? How you going?
Oh, nothing much. Just trying to find my way around here, man.
Yeah.
Nothing
Did you
around.
get a park?
It's chaos, huh?
Did you get a park?
Yeah, down there. We're over there.
Did you come in the Tesla?
Yeah.
Killer.
Where barrows belong.
100%. But let's be honest, NOMANG's a favourite amongst the fullBOOST faithful.
Oh, here we go.
Yours was just fill-in. Yours was just fill-in for time, right?
It took too long.
Yeah, because it had no content.
I think we're going to have to do a video, I reckon, where these guys trade places and drives each other's car.
Yeah, I'm happy to do
Yeah,
that.
once my auto's done.
Yeah. Oh, look at already making excuses here.
Yeah, once my auto's
I
done.
actually drove it to Sydney last week.
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's
Oh, when
killer.
I full throttle it, the auto's just not happy. It slips.
Yeah. Well,
Stock or build?
Stock.
No, his
Oh,
was the
that's
same.
why.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine was the same. Mine was cool.
It was never right.
But
Nah.
I drove it to Sydney last week and back.
If you cruise it, they're fine.
I got 680 k's out of a tank.
Every time we do a video in this car, people have the same comments. They've just wrecked it with a Ford engine. What do you reckon, George? Some flames on the VS or what?
I reckon it'll look good.
This is like a time capsule.
It is, yeah,
What year
absolutely.
What year do you reckon this was built in?
I'm going to say mid-90s at least.
Yeah.
Late to mid. Like everything inside's obviously been redone. You can
Somewhere
tell.
in the 90s it looks like.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Like paint-wise, you wouldn't. Yeah, you'd look at that and think, yeah, that's 90s.
Time to get some meat, George.
I think so.
So George, we're gonna get 1 lamb, 1 chicken, and 1 mixed.
Yeah. Is that just for me? What are you guys getting?
Has that guy got like a T51 mod on that?
Yeah, probably.
Oh God, did you hear that screaming? I've got to go to my safe space.
That's safe space. I love that.
So George,
Yeah.
fun day out in the sun. It's
Yeah.
now, it's actually not summer.
It's roasting. It's
autumn,
autumn, but we're roasting.
But
yeah.
today's, I don't know, 30, 35 odd degrees.
Something like that, yeah.
But fun day out in Nomang.
Yeah.
Went and got a kebab.
You did. It's a souvlaki. Please. Please. We got to use the right terminology, mate.
Gyros.
That's better. Yeah, there you go. Log it up.
What's the Aussie word? I'm going to get a soup.
Gyro. I'm going to go get
Gyro.
a gyro. Yeah.
Suve.
Going to get a gyro or a
Suve.
suve. That's the one.
Um,
But no, it was a good day out.
good day out.
Yeah.
So what's next?
Well, look, the weather's still good.
Yeah.
Like I mentioned last time, we want to do the rear end. No use pulling it off the road just yet. I'll do that over winter.
Yeah.
I wanted to have it done already by now, but we just got too busy.
Yeah.
I reckon we go do a bit of roll racing. At least it keeps the diff alive.
Yeah. Roll
You know, we're not
racing.
putting the stress on the rear end on the launches. And we'll go do some roll racing at the next Calder event. Might throw it on the hub as well, because I still haven't set up the boost in it.
Oh yeah.
So on the closed loop, so it'd be a little bit better control on the hub dyno. So
And you said you wanted to turn it up a little bit.
if the turbo's got
Yeah.
some steam left, maybe if we can. At the end of the day,
I don't think you need to.
I don't think I need to either. If the car makes the same power as it did before, we'll be fine. But so yeah, I think just throw it on the hub to clear the boost up. Go do some roll racing. You can jump in the passenger seat too with your earmuffs.
Yeah, earmuffs on.
Earmuffs on.
Yeah.
And
I'll get a 6-pack for that day.
yeah, and then and that's it. We'll just go out, do some roll racing, and then once the bad weather hits, which
Yeah.
probably isn't too far away, being Melbourne,
Yeah.
I'll take it off and I'll do the rear end, and then over winter we'll get that sorted, and then once we bring it out the next time, it'll be a bit of a different car,
At least you can use it.
and then we can go use it. Then we can take it to the track and start doing some racing consistently. Yeah. So I guess that's a goal for the future, I guess.
We've got to do that cheesy outro, yeah? What is it?
Oh yeah. Until next time. Yeah, that's it. All right. Until next time.
No,
No man.